Hello everyone, this is Shalini Mishra, Reiki Grandmaster, Angel and Tarot Card Reader, Kundalini and Karuna Reiki Healer and Crystal Healer. Friends, I am making this new group with the purpose of making the availability of crystals for all of you. The main reason behind starting this group is, throughout my journey of healing, I have seen most of the non-healers or those who are not from healing field spending their hardcore money in buying expensive gemstones, as we all face some sort of physical, emotional, mental, financial, career related problem at some stage of life. Mainly because they are not aware about the miraculous result, rather magical result of crystals. Even those who are already using the crystals are not aware about how to differentiate between the real crystal and artificial crystal, how to resolve their particular problem using the crystal, how to clean the particular crystal, and many aspects. So I have decided to make all these things available for you. The availability of crystal as well as the guidance related to every aspect of crystal. Availability of crystal will be at a very nominal price. The process will be, I'll be posting the image, price and usage of crystals, particular crystal. Those who want to buy can order in the group itself and can pay through any means like account pay, Google, Paytm. Those who will buy the crystal will get a separate guidance on how to meditate on crystal, how to use it for specific person for whom they are buying it, and how to clean it, and each and every aspects, whatever query comes into their mind, they'll get the personal guidance on that. Now this is only the one benefit of joining the group. The other benefits of joining the group will be, I'll be offering free card reading, tarot and angelic card reading, free healing session, free aura cleaning session from time to time, free guidance to all those who actually need it. These all will be on priority basis, first come first serve basis, and from time to time, as I have my own limitation. You'll also be getting free Vastu tips and various free tips and guidance which will help you in dealing your day-to-day life. Now, what are crystals? In brief, crystals are live stones. Like plants, crystals are also living stones which vibrate 6 lakhs times per second. They are made up of 5 elements: air, water, earth, fire and space, from which our body is made up of. Since they are live stones, these crystals, they changes its color and size according to yours and your surroundings energy. These crystals are used for all aspects of life, for your physical disease, any sort of disease, for mental problems, emotional problems, any finance related problem, career, study, relationship related problem, any problem. You do not have to refer your Kundali before using the crystal, because crystals suits everyone and they have no side effects. If used with love and care, crystals can be your best friend in your life, your best mentor, your best guide. Even if you are not wearing it or just keeping it at your room, office or in your vehicle, its vibration will definitely benefit you. So, by including the crystals in your life, I want all of you to be your own doctor, your own astrologer, your own healer, own psychiatrist, and so on and so forth. The list is uncountable. If you're not interested in joining the group, please feel free to exit. I owe my thanks to all of you and wish divine blessings and lots of positivity in all the aspects of your life. Thank you so much. This is Shalini Mishra